Hi, I'm Taryn Moquin and I'm a dancer here at Dean College. Okay, so I started dancing when I was 2 and I started doing all the regular things that kids do like ballet, tap, and jazz. And when you start switching studios, I finally found one that offered Irish dance, and that's where I found the love of moving my feet, making noise with my feet. So I danced my whole life and it's always been such a huge part of my life, and it's my passion, and what makes you want to live is your passion. So I knew that I wanted to study it in college, and I always knew that from a very young age, that I wanted to pursue it as my career and what I wanted to study. So when looking for schools that had a great dance program, Dean was like one of the #1 things that stuck out because of the inclusivity of everything, and we do every style and not just work on one style. Here at Dean, there's this really unique opportunity that there's 6 dance teams that anybody can join, and they're all specialized in different styles. I am a member of Dean College's Screws, which is the Dean College tap team. I actually hold the vice president position on the team right now, and I will next year as well. There's multiple show opportunities like Arts Mosaic and Choreographer's Concert that we're allowed to submit work for. And then we also all fuel each other's love of tap, and we often do jams, like improv jams, and we have a great time in rehearsal. We learn from each other. Being here has been one of the best experiences, and I actually wouldn't trade it for anything else because I get to dance so much with people who also love dance, with great professors that fuel your passion and are always striving to teach you and to teach themselves. If you are a dancer who's planning on entering the college dance scene, I highly recommend it, and don't let anybody tell you that you're never going to do anything with that degree, because that is so not true. Sometimes your passion and what you love is more important than anything else. Do not listen to the haters that are saying you're never going to make it, you're not good enough. Follow your dreams and listen to yourself, and never let anybody drag you down.